Okay, let's talk about number 2. Number 2 is different than number 1 because number 1, only the 5 was raised to the 0 power. But in this case, we have a 3 and we have an A and we have a B. But only one of those is being raised to the 0 power. So for instance, this 3 is actually being raised to the 1st power. This A is being raised to the 1st power. And this B is being raised to the 0 power. So only one of those turns into a 1, the B. This right here turns into a 1. So we end up with 3 times A times 1. And then we have to multiply. So 3 times A times 1, that gives me 3A. And that right there, my friends, is my answer. Now, what would make things different is parentheses. So if it looked like this, that means everything is to the 0 power, but it doesn't have any parentheses. So that's not the case, and that is why 3A is our answer.